Welcome to Food Canopy. Today we will be preparing Dhaba style Dal Tadka and Jeera rice using pot-in-pot method in our Mealthy Multipot. Recipe for the dal. Select saute mode medium. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in the inner pot. Allow the oil to heat up. Once the oil is heated up, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida and few curry leaves. Allow spices to sizzle. You can add spices all at once. Add half medium-sized onion, finely chopped. Saute it in the oil. Add a pinch of salt to the onions. Adding salt helps to cook onions quickly. Add 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and garlic. I have minced 1 green chili with it. Add 1½ medium-sized finely chopped tomato to the onion mixture. Saute it in the oil. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, one tablespoon of kitchen king masala, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Saute them in the oil. Since this is a dhaba style dal, the amount of spices used are at the higher end when compared to the regular dal. You can adjust the spice level as per your needs. Let's go ahead and add the mixed dal. I have washed the dal thoroughly and then soaked it for around 20 minutes in water, drained it. I have taken ½ cup of split pigeon peas lentil, 1/4 cup of red lentils, 1/4 cup of split Bengal gram lentils. This is the right combination for the dhaba style dal. Add 2½ cups water to it. Add salt to taste. Press cancel to stop the saute mode. Let's understand how to use a pot-in-pot method. In the electric pressure cooker, add rice pot in the inner pot using a trivet. Now there's one good thing about the trivet which is available with Mealthy Multipot. It is at 4 centimeters height, so you can prepare a larger amount of dal or any food which you would like to be placed in bottom in a larger quantity, which is good. I have used 1 cup of basmati rice which I washed thoroughly, pre-soaked it for 20 minutes in water. I have added 1.5 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. Since this is a jeera rice, I am adding 1:1.5 ratio. If you want to have a soft rice, then you can go ahead and add 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. Let's go ahead and add half teaspoon of salt to the rice. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a teaspoon of ghee. It enhances the flavor of the rice. Covering lid on the rice makes the rice soft compared to not covering it with the lid. Let's go ahead and close the lid of the multipot. For multipot 1 users as well as instant pot users, adjust the valve in sealing mode. Select the pressure cook mode. Adjust the level to high pressure. Adjust the timer for 6 minutes. For multipot 2 users, set pressure release mode to natural. It is normal for steam to vent through valve before sealing. Your preset cooking time will begin after the valve is sealed. I would like the chana dal in this dhaba style dal to retain its texture, so the adjustment of timing is to 6 minutes. If you would prefer the smooth texture of the dal, you can adjust the timer to 8 minutes. So anything between 6 to 8 is okay. After cook time, allow natural pressure release for 10 minutes. For multipot 1 users, turn the pressure valve to venting mode. Multipot 2 users, press cancel and long press pressure release button. You can open the lid of the multipot once the float valve goes down. Fluffing up the rice with the fork will release steam that is caught in between the rice grains, and it will make it less sticky. You can use mitts while removing the trivet. Squeeze some lemon to enhance the taste of the dal. Dhaba style dal is commonly served with double tadka. Let's go ahead and make the tadka for the dal. Heat the pan on the stove top. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee to the hot pan. Add few dried red chilies. I've added 2 of them. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Allow it to sizzle. Add around 1/4 cup of fried onions. Adding fried onions gives a good flavor to the dal, a unique flavor. Saute them in the oil. Pour the seasoning over the dal. Mix it well. The dhaba style dal is ready to be served along with jeera rice. Please try our recipe and give us your feedback. If you like our videos, please like them and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.